Hi everyone, and welcome to the 6th video tutorial that we are doing on Leia for real estate. In the previous tutorials, we walked through how you can get your site set up, how you can make edits to it, how you can, update the search for the default properties that load on your page when it initially loads, and a number of other things. We also talked about how the leads that come in through your website can be viewed here on your leads page, and how you can, from here, take a look at information about the people that got in touch with you through your site, and follow up with them and so forth. Lastly, what we're going to talk about is your budget. So again, to go over sort of how everything works here, we provide you this website and the hosting and the domain and everything that you need to exist online 100% for free. And in order to continue to drive traffic to your website and get as many leads as possible, you're going to want to spend money on digital advertising. And so we help you do that. It's one of the things we do very well. At the time of this video, we have over 250,000 users of the traditional Leia version, and a large number of those folks have come from advertising that we've done. So we've been doing this for a long time, and we can really help you to get leads through your website. We can really help to drive traffic through it. And so in order to, actually do that for you, you're going to want to set a budget, a monthly amount that you want to spend on digital ads that we will manage for you. We'll create the ads themselves, we'll create the targeting, we'll manage the campaigns, and we'll drive folks to your site so that way when they come to you, you can see them here on your My Leads page. And in order to do this, we take 10% of whatever it is that you want to spend each month on ads. The minimum number is $100 a month. So of that, obviously, we would keep $10 and we would spend $90 on ads for you. So to set your budget and figure out, how much you want to spend each month, take a look at when your next payment is going to be made, all that good stuff, you go to your manage budget page, right? So if we wanted to come here and set a budget, we can click here and then we'll type in, the amount that we want to spend. So let's say it's the $100 and we click update budget. And now here's where we enter our payment information, where we would actually get charged the $100. What would happen is we would bill you the $100. That money comes into our account, and then we would get to work pretty much immediately on creating an ad campaign. Since it would be $90 that we want to spend on ads, and we would want to spend this over a 30-day period, we would set an advertising budget on Google ads or Facebook ads of $3 a day that we wanted to spend, which isn't a lot, but it's a good place to get started if that's where you'd like to launch. And then when we run out of the $100, we'll come back and bill you for the next month. And if you wanted to change at any time the amount that you wanted to spend each month, you'll be able to do so right here by clicking what will be change budget or some other button here. But since we haven't set one yet, it says set a budget. That's how everything works as far as managing budget is concerned. Pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions about that, feel free to get in touch with us at leia@vybesoftware.com. But other than that, thank you very much for taking the time to watch these video tutorials. We hope that you are now equipped with the tools that you need to go out and succeed online as a real estate agent or broker. So thanks again, and yes, get in touch with us if you have any questions.